Hi everyone! See the menus and dishes we order from our Christmas 2022 Celebrity Cruise. First, you'll see the main dining room entrees for Christmas Eve, and then followed by Christmas night. Some of the offerings were available for other dinners, but there were still many holiday themed entrees. All of the food you will see are complimentary, and there's no problem ordering multiple appetizers, mains, and desserts. So check them out and later let us know what you think with a comment and what you would order. Enjoy!
Looks like lobster bisque. Let's see. It is kind of like lobster bisque, but a little bit thicker. It's nice. It has a nice seafood flavor. That's good. Prime rib. It's almost as big as my face. Medium rare with some sauce here. You can get some sauce. Very tender. A bit salty, I think, but let me try without the sauce. Here's the one in the middle. It's kind of like rare. That's so good. So tender. I think it's the gravy that's kind of a little bit salty. If you just eat the meat by itself, it has a little saltiness, yet little the sweetness of the meat. That's really good. Super tender. Melt in your mouth. Veal and beef. It's salty, kind of like not in a good way, like if it has a good depth to the sauce, it's good, but it's like salty as in like all you taste is salty. Spinach with cottage cheese ravioli. Here you go. Perfect bite for you. That's good. Just the cheese sauce, nice and creamy. The ravioli, tender and yet al dente texture to it. It's good. Orange duck. Let's try without the sauce. Very tender. Let's try the breast here with some sauce, orange sauce. The breast is nice and tender too. The seasoning of the duck is just very light. It depends a lot on the sauce. The sauce has a lot of orange zest flavor to it and strong orange flavor. If you like orange sauce, you will like this sauce. I personally don't like orange flavor food that much, but it's good. The duck is super tender though. Yeah, it's a good one. Ooh, feels dense already. Little marshmallow on there. Ooh, that's a perfect bite right there. I can't wait to dive in here. So good. The chocolate is so dense, so comforting and delicious. And the texture of the marshmallow, delicious and fun to eat. Mmm. Oh, I can smell the cinnamon. It's kind of like souffle. That's really good. The bread is so silky soft, and it has some texture of the apple, and then the texture of the nuts, contrast of the textures. And the best part, I like it how it's nice and warm. Would go very well with a scoop of ice cream. It's kind of like candy. It's like chocolate candy. That's good. Chocolate. And there's hazelnuts inside. The outside's kind of hardened, but the inside's the hazelnut. It's nice and soft. I don't know what this one's kind of candy as well. Oh, I can't break it. I can't even get it off the plate.
Stuck.
Oh, there you go. It's kind of like hard candy almost. It's good though.
Can that go this way?
I like it.
Are those berries or?
Uh-huh. I think it's cranberry. A little nice treat. Christmas treat. Kind of reminded you like open these chocolate boxes. Chicken pate. Let me try eat it by itself.
It came with that bread?
No,
Oh, you did.
I got it myself from the bread basket. Chicken pate. Really good. Oh yeah. Oh, I like this. They make it almost like a texture of foie gras. Oh, this is a good pate. They say parfait, but I would say, and it can taste butter in it too. In the pate, sometimes it can taste livery. This one tastes a little bit livery, but the texture, they make it so smooth. If you try to mimic like foie gras, this can come pretty close to that. So good. Just excellent. Like a lamb. Medium. Nice and tender. I really like the sauce. The sauce is very flavorful. I like the pistachio or the herbs, parmesan, and parsley crust. I don't think they even season it. Just a little bit of crust to give a nice texture, but the sauce make it like enhance the whole dish. The sauce is phenomenal. Really good.
All right. So thank you, guys. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Some gravy, cranberry sauce. Very tender. And they give you a breast too. Here's some sweet potato and it's almost like marshmallow, melted marshmallow, and stuffing. Sweet mashed potato is really good. Ooh, let me do this. The full bite of everything. There you go. Merry Christmas. That is a one perfect bite of Christmas celebration. Really good. Stuffed portobello mushroom. Look at this fancy, this fried onion on top. I'm trying to figure out what this is. Ooh, cottage cheese or something. And spinach. I see some spinach here. All right, here we go. Bon appetit. The portobello mushroom. Very meaty. So it is goat cheese. That's a good vegetarian dish. Shrimp, scallops, 3 shrimp actually, and mussels. Actually, I want to try the soup first. Not bad. Bouillabaisse, I saw some. It's more like tomatoey, kind of like bisque. But this is, I guess they make it like this style. Okay, scallops, nice and tender. Shrimp. I thought it's gonna be overcooked, but it's not. Crunchy. Have that muscular texture to it. It's good. Not the best bouillabaisse I've tried, but it's not bad. I can't imagine though that you can get full by this.
It's more like an appetizer, right?
It's more like a really good appetizer, but not as a main entree. That's too small. That you can allow yourself to order another one. Overall, I think it's okay. Petite fours. They are really cute and petite. This is kind of like eclair, I think, right?
A mini one.
A mini, a baby, teeny, tiny one. Here's a crib. Look at this, so cute. Velvet. What's that cake? That red cake?
Red velvet.
Yeah, red velvet. Good. It's fun. I like this. I actually prefer to have my dessert like that. Just a little bit of each dessert. Oh, this one looks good. It's kind of like candy, like. It's kind of Turkish delight. This one, mango cake. I think it's mango cake. And you guys know what this is. Oh, that mango cake is actually pretty good. Has a nice strong mango flavor. I'm sorry, I broke this. It's still go. Yeah. That's so cute. I like it. That's really cute. I have a soft spot for creme brulee. And I like how the sugar, they don't overburn it, so I can enjoy it. with the nice crunch, and then silky, soft, creamy creme brulee underneath. Yummy. And then this one is cooked perfectly. Oh my goodness. So good. Better stop. Apple strudel. There you go. A perfect bite. Bon appetit. Oh man. The apple is very tender. The pastry is also nice and tender as well. Little gooey texture to it, but oh man, I have to say that this guy is a star. This is the strongest rum ice cream I've ever tried. It's like they pour. You can really get drunk from this. I hope no kids will order this because I'm telling you, it's really strong. But if you like, rum, you will love this. Can I have another 3 scoop of that? No, it's good. It's good. Interesting. They have cake wrapped with chocolate fudge in the middle, slightly outside. It's a good combination. The cake is very light. It's not bad. Pretty good. I think I like the part where there's more the fudge, the chocolate fudge on it. Pretty good. Yeah.
And those were the Celebrity Cruises, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day dinner menus and food. Which dishes look the best? Let us know with a comment, and please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for our video on Celebrity Cruises New Year's Eve dinner, and of course check out our channel for a lot more food from this and other cruise lines. Thank you very much, have a safe and happy holiday season, happy cruising, and we'll see you soon in another video.